up everybody, it's Jordan from Las Vegas. The first question we have to answer about the Rick and Morty Puma release is when are they going to drop? They're going to be dropping on Friday, February 17th at 7 a.m. How much are these shoes going to cost? These shoes are going to retail for $140. And then the next question we have to answer is where are these shoes going to drop? Where can I go buy them? We're going to get into that in 1 second. I do want to say stay tuned to the end of the video so I can tell you guys about the giveaway that's going on. Also, we're going to look at the Puma and Rick and Morty collection that they have up right now, and I'm going to give you guys one hint or special tip on how to cop these sneakers, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. But let's go ahead and get into this. Alrighty, so considering that most of you probably have a phone and a laptop, I'm going to give you guys the two most reasonable ways to go ahead and cop these sneakers. One, with your phone, you are going to want to download the Puma app. On this Puma app, you are going to download it, and it's going to give you the option to continue as a guest or sign in and create your profile. I would say make sure you sign in, create your profile, get your credit card on the app, get your shipping preferences correct. That way tomorrow at 7 when this shoe releases, you won't have to enter any of that info then. So first way, Puma app, pretty simple. It should be the first thing you see when you go into the Puma app, but if not, click on the launch calendar and it will pop up the Puma Rick and Morty MB.02. Second way you guys can win these is going on Footlocker.com, same time, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. It's same thing. You're gonna want to sign into your profile, make sure your card is correct, your shipping preferences are correct. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the whole Puma Rick and Morty collection. First off, we have the Puma Rick and Morty full zip men's basketball hoodie for $90. There is small, medium, large, extra large, and double XL available. We have Morty on the front, we got Rick on the back. Puma, established 1973. Pretty nice design. I like that it is black and the colors just pop out so much. Next up we have $35 t-shirt, purple, Rick and Morty. On the back we have Sanchez was here with Rick hiding behind a brick wall. Again, that is very cool. Size small, medium, large, XL, and double XL available. Then we have this t-shirt, which is super sick. Pickle Rick on the front. We have a hand spinning a basketball. It says Puma. We have Rick and Morty design on the back. This is $35. They have small, medium, large, XL, double XL, and 3XL available. This is probably my favorite shirt out of the collection. That hoodie is cool too. They also did have the Puma Rick and Morty basketball shorts, but unfortunately those have sold out. Now let's go ahead and get some closer looks at the basketball shoes. I do like the color of these. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the first one more or the second one. We got a cool picture of LaMelo here. Definitely vibrant, definitely nice. I would love to have these in the collection. Let me know if you guys have already purchased these. Maybe you got them early. But the last tip I do want to give you guys is to make sure that at 7 a.m. tomorrow you have Soul Links up, the Twitter page, Soul Links, because they always give out release links. It's not certain that they are going to give out a Puma Rick and Morty release link, but I'd say just stay tuned to that. And last, I do want to say that the giveaway is still up. There's still time. We're going to be going live Friday at 5 p.m. on this YouTube channel and on the Kicked Out LV Instagram. If you're already subscribed, all you have to do is go to Kicked Out LV, look for the giveaway post, and comment done. That's it. You're subscribed and comment done, you're in. Also, you can comment done on the community tab, which I'll pop a picture right here so you don't even have to leave the app. Hopefully everyone who wants a pair of the new Rick and Mortys are able to cop them. I'll see you in the next one. Wubba lubba dub dub. Peace.